Hold on to your keyboards, tech enthusiasts, because today we're diving into a breakthrough that's sending shockwaves through the AI world. Google just dropped a bombshell with their new facts-grounding benchmark, and the results are absolutely mind-blowing. In a head-to-head battle testing AI accuracy, Google's latest Gemini model didn't just beat GPT-4, it demolished it with an incredible 83.6% accuracy rate compared to GPT-4's 78.8%. But here's what makes this truly revolutionary. This isn't just another benchmark. For the first time, we can actually measure how well AI models stick to the facts and avoid making things up. Let me show you exactly what this means and why it's a game changer for everyone who uses AI. First, let's break down what makes this test different. Unlike previous benchmarks that only tested simple tasks, facts grounding throws complex, real-world challenges at these AI models. We're talking about analyzing documents up to 32,000 tokens long. That's about 20,000 words, across fields like medicine, law, finance, and technology. And here's the kicker. These AIs can't just make educated guesses. They have to provide detailed answers based solely on the information they're given. Now, let me show you the actual results that have the tech world buzzing. Take a look at this leaderboard. Gemini 2.0 Flash. Experimental leads the pack with that impressive 83.6% accuracy, followed by Gemini 1.5 Flash at 82.9%. But what's really interesting is how other major players stack up. Claude 3.5 Sonnet comes in at 79.4%, and GPT-4 follows at 78.8%. These aren't just numbers. They represent a fundamental shift in AI reliability. Let's dive into why these results matter for real-world applications. Imagine you're researching medical information or analyzing legal documents. The difference between 78% and 83% accuracy could mean the difference between getting factual information and being misled by AI hallucinations. But here's what makes this benchmark particularly fascinating. It uses a triple-judge system. Each response is evaluated by 3 different frontier AI models: Gemini 1.5 Pro, GPT-4, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This eliminates bias and ensures fair evaluation. The testing process itself is incredibly rigorous. Let me show you an example from the benchmark. When given a complex document about financial performance, the AI must not only understand the content, but also provide accurate, detailed answers without adding any information that isn't in the original text. Look at how they tested this. First, they check if the response actually answers the question asked. Then they verify if every single claim made is supported by the document. No room for creative interpretation here. What's particularly impressive is the scope of this benchmark. We're looking at 1,719 carefully crafted examples, 860 public and 859 private. This split is crucial because it prevents AI models from being trained specifically for the test, while still allowing researchers to verify and reproduce results. The domain distribution is fascinating too. Look at this breakdown. 29% medical content, 22.2% legal documents, 19.2% technology analysis, 18.2% financial reports, and 11.4% retail and product information. This broad coverage ensures AI models can't just specialize in one area. But let's talk about what this means for the future of AI. These results show we're entering a new era of AI reliability. The gap between 83.6% and 78.8% might seem small, but in terms of real-world applications, it's massive. Think about how often you use AI tools, whether it's for research, writing, or analysis. This level of improvement means more accurate responses, fewer hallucinations, and more trustworthy AI assistance. Here's something even more exciting. This benchmark is just the beginning. The researchers explicitly state they'll continue updating and evolving facts grounding as AI technology advances. This creates a dynamic standard that will push AI development toward even greater accuracy. Now, you might be wondering about practical applications. Let's say you're using AI for document analysis. This benchmark shows which models are most likely to give you accurate, reliable information. It's not just about raw performance, it's about trustworthiness. And speaking of trust, let's address the confidence intervals in these results. The benchmark includes 95% confidence intervals for each score, showing these aren't just lucky results, but consistent, reliable performance metrics. Here's a mind-blowing detail. These AIs were tested on documents up to 20,000 words long. That's about the length of a short book, and they had to maintain accuracy throughout. Previous benchmarks typically used much shorter texts, making this a much more realistic test of AI capabilities. But perhaps the most exciting aspect is what this means for future development. This benchmark sets a new standard for AI accuracy and reliability. It's not just about generating plausible-sounding responses anymore. It's about ensuring those responses are grounded in fact. If you're as excited about this development as I am, hit that like button to help more people discover this groundbreaking research. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest AI breakthroughs. We cover major developments like this twice a week. Drop a comment with your thoughts on these results. Do you think 83.6% accuracy is impressive enough? Or should we be pushing for even higher standards? Let's discuss in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with anyone interested in AI development. This is exactly the kind of breakthrough that changes how we use and trust AI technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next deep dive into the world of AI innovation.